Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we're taking a look at the iBall Kids Stars wired headphone with mic. Before you decide to buy this particular product, there are a few things that you should know about it. Let's take a quick look. To begin with, the device itself is pretty lightweight. The padding on the headset is not leatherette, which makes it less likely for your ears to get sweaty. There is, of course, the distinctive and stylish iBall branding on the side. You have the inline volume control that you can use over here, and the 3.5 jack at the end is of the L-shaped variant, which avoids breakage and improves the durability of your product. And you have the distinctive marking on the inside of the headset, which shows the left and right sides. And there you have it. A few things to keep in mind before you make a purchase decision about the iBall Kids Stars wired headphone with mic. Thank you for watching.